Hi student, this is Hemant sir and you are watching chemistry lecture. In this session, we will discuss chapter number 14, that is basic principles of organic chemistry, and subtopic will be today is classification of organic compound. Organic compound means in a chemistry, organic compounds are generally any chemical compounds that contains carbon hydrogen bond. Means any organic compound having the carbon and hydrogen, resulting compound is called as a organic compound. So let's see the classification of organic compound. First, organic compound classified into two categories. One is a open chain compound and second one is a closed chain compound. One is a open chain compound and second one is a closed chain compound. Open chain compound is also called as a aliphatic compound and or a cyclic compound. Open chain compound is also called as a aliphatic compound or a cyclic compound. Means here an open chain compound or a cyclic compound is a compound with a linear structure rather than a cyclic one. Means in this compound the carbon and hydrogen arranged in a continuous manner like a linear structure, and second type of the organic compound is closed chain compound. This closed chain compound is also organic compound, but in this compound the carbon and hydrogen atom arranged in a cyclic manner. Okay, it is also called as cyclic or ring compound. Next, this open chain compound classified again two categories. One is a straight chain compound and second one is a branched chain compound. Okay, one is a straight chain compound and second one is a branched chain compound. Straight chain compound means in this compound the hydrocarbon is arranged in a continuous manner like a linear structure. Resulting is called as a straight chain compound. And second is a branched chain compound means there is a substituent is attached with the linear chain. The compound is called as a branched chain compound. Then the closed chain compound also classified into two categories. One is a homocyclic compounds and second one is a heterocyclic compound. Homocyclic compound means this type of the compound having only carbon and hydrogen. This type of the cyclic ring having only carbon and hydrogen compound is called as a homocyclic compound. And heterocyclic compound means the cyclic compound having the one heteroatom. It may be nitrogen, it may be oxygen, it may be sulfur, it may be oxygen. Means a cyclic compound having any one heteroatom like oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. Okay. Then this homocyclic compound means example of this homocyclic compound is benzene. Benzene is the example of the homocyclic compound, and pyridine is a heterocyclic compound. Pyridine means a one nitrogen atom replaced by the carbon atom in the benzene ring. The resulting structure will be pyridine. We will discuss it later. Okay. So let's see with the help of the example, that is classification of organic compound based on their structure. Yes, we have this structure. Here the every carbon atom is arranged in linear manner. Okay, and second structure, see, the carbon atom is completely attached with each other in a cyclic manner. Correct? Let's see the name of this structure. This is N-butane. There are 4 carbon. Hence, it is N-butane. In the second structure also have 4 carbon atom, but it is a cyclic. Hence, it is cyclobutane. Correct? So, what is difference between these two structure? N-butane is open chain compound and cyclobutane is a closed chain compound. Okay. Next slide. Open chain compound. Open chain compound is also called as a aliphatic or alicyclic compound. We have the examples. Let's see. First examples, like previous slide, there are 4 carbon in the longest chain and arranged linear manner. And second example, having one branch like this way. This is the branch. This is branch. Okay. So this is what a straight chain compound. The every carbon atom arranged in a linear manner. Hence, it is a straight chain compound. The name of this compound is N-butane, and this is isobutane according common system. Let's see what is the difference between these two structures. The first structure, N-butane is a straight chain compound, यानी हर कार्बन जो है वो स्ट्रेट है, लीनियर अरेंजमेंट है उसकी, इसलिए उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं स्ट्रेट चेन कंपाउंड. एंड आइसोब्यूटेन इज अ ब्रांचेड चेन कंपाउंड, जो मैंने आपको बताया था कि ये देखो एक ब्रांचेड है. Both have the same molecular formula, means both have the same number of carbon atom and same number of hydrogen atom, but the arrangement of these two structure is a different one. One is a straight chain and another one is a what? Branched chain. Okay, let's see the next slide. Closed chain compound. Closed chain compound is again also called as a cyclic or ring compound. Let's see. This is the first structure and this is the second structure. In the first structure, there is only carbon atom and hydrogen atom linked with each other. And the second structure is having what? What is different between the second structure? The second structure having one nitrogen atom other than the carbon. The name of this structure is a benzene and this is a pyridine. Let's see what is the difference between these two structures. Here, the compound which includes one or more heteroatoms like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. in the ring of carbon atom. Second structure has a nitrogen as a heteroatom in the ring of carbon atom. Homocyclic compound. It is also called as a carbocyclic compounds. We have example number 1 and number 2. Number one examples having only carbon and hydrogen atom. Number one structure does not have the alternate double and single bond. But if you see carefully the second structure is having carbon hydrogen but having alternate double and single bond. Here, this is the first structure name, that is cyclohexane, and this is what? Benzene. Both the molecular formula is different one. So let's see what is difference between these two structure. If in homocyclic compound carbon atoms are linked by single bond only, then the compound are known as a alicyclic compound. In the cyclohexane, the carbon atom are linked, every carbon atom linked with a single bond only. Hence the first compound is known as a alicyclic compound. Cyclohexane is a alicyclic compound. Hence cyclohexane is a alicyclic compound. In the second structure, if homocyclic compound contain at least one aromatic ring which resembles benzene in their chemical behavior, then those compounds are known as aromatic compound. Means, if you see the second structure here, this second structure, in this carbon cyclic structures having alternate double and single bond, which is like a benzene structure. Hence, it is called as a aromatic compound. Okay, the second structure is a aromatic compound. Let's see, benzene is a aromatic compound. Let's see the next slide. Homocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds also categorize aromatic compound. Aromatic compound classified into two categories. Let's see the first with the help of example. This is the example of the aniline, and this is the second example of the phenol. In this structure having one benzene ring. Aniline and phenol having alternate double and single bond. The difference is what? The benzene ring having NH2 and OH group. Such type of the structure is called as a benzenoid compound, because in this aniline and phenol having benzene ring, hence resulting structure is called as a benzenoid compound. Okay. Next one is a homocyclic compound having also same aromatic compound, but aromatic compound. Let's see with the help of example. See here. This is tropone and this is tropolone. Okay. In this structure there are how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 carbon having oxygen atom. The resulting structure is called as a tropone, and in this structure contain an aromatic ring other than benzene. Why aromatic? Because in the structures having the alternate double and single bond. If you see the carefully, see double bond, single bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Means in the structures having the aromatic property, but the structure does not have benzene. Hence, the resulting structure is a non-benzenoid compound. This type of the structure is called as a non-benzenoid compound. Why? Non-benzenoid, why? Because resulting structure does not have the benzene ring, but structures have double, alternate double single bond. It shows the aromatic property. Okay, let's see the next slide. Heterocyclic compound. This is the example of the heterocyclic compound. In this structures having one oxygen atom. Correct? In this structures having one oxygen atom means one hetero atom. It may be oxygen it may be sulfur, it may be nitrogen. Okay, the name of this compound is tetrahydrofuran. Why tetrahydrofuran? There are four carbon atoms. Okay, there are four carbon atoms. This is tetrahydro, and furan is what? Because of the oxygen. The name of this compound is THF, means tetrahydrofuran. In this structure means alicyclic compound which contain at least one heteros atom in this ring. Correct. Why this alicyclic? Because in this structure does not have alternate double and single bond. Hence this is alicyclic compound, and this alicyclic compound having only one oxygen atom, that is heteroatom. Hence the structure is called as a heteroalicyclic compound. Okay. Next example. See what is different between the previous example and this example. The difference is what? In this structure having alternate double and single bond. Okay, the name of this compound is called furan. Here, the aromatic compound which contain at least one heteroatom in the ring means this furan has aromatic property. They have alternate double and single bond. Correct. Hence, the resulting structure is called as a heteroaromatic compound. Getting? Next, heteroaromatic compound. Here, heteroaromatic compound means the structures have aromatic property, means alternate double and single bond with one heteroatom. The resulting structure, the name of this structure is called as a picoline, and the structure name is a benzenoid compound. See here, dear friends, the heteroaromatic compound also two categories. One is a benzenoid compound and second is a non-benzenoid compound. Benzenoid compound have alternate double and single bond with one heteroatom. Resulting structure name is picoline and having aromatic property. That's why this structure is called as a benzenoid compound. Next examples having alternate double and single bond. Next compound having alternate double single bond with heteroatom, and there are, if you count the carbon atom, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are 7 carbon in this structure, hence it is non-benzenoid compound. It is more than benzene, hence it is non-benzenoid compound. The name of this structure is azosine. Okay, let's see the next topic, that is means we have seen the organic compound with two categories of the organic compound is open chain compound and closed chain compound. Open chain compound also two categories, straight chain compound and branched chain compound. Closed chain also two categories. One is a homocyclic compound, second is a heterocyclic compound. Homocyclic compound also categorized into two types. One is alicyclic, second one is a aromatic. Heterocyclic compound also classified into two categories. One is a heteroalicyclic and second one is a heteroaromatic compound. This aromatic compound also classified into two categories. One is a benzenoid and second is a non-benzenoid. Heteroaromatic also classified into two categories. One is benzenoid and second is a hetero non-benzenoid compound. These are the classification of the organic compound. It is also called as a flow sheet of the organic compound. Okay, let's see the question. We have some questions. Give the class of the following compound based on their structure. Number one carbon. Number one structures. The name of this number one structure is isobutane. The class of this compound is come into the open chain compound because there is no any cyclic type structure, hence it is open chain compound. Okay, then it is a branched chain compound because this linear chain having one substituent at the middle like branch type structure. Hence it is what? Branched chain compound. Okay. Next one, second. Oh, it is a cyclic having one heteroatom. Correct. The name of this compound is what? Pyridine. And what is the class of this compound? It is a closed chain compound. Then it is a heteroaromatic compound. Okay, then it is a benzoate compound. Why? Because one heteroatom are there and it resembles like the benzene. Hence it is benzoate compound. Third one. Oh, there are two benzene rings. The naphthalene. Okay, it is closed chain compound. Then it is homocyclic compound. Then aromatic compound. Correct? Both are the benzene. Then what? Benzoate. Number 4. Oh, that we have discussed in the previous slide. Name of this structure is propone. It is closed chain compound. Then homocyclic compound. Then aromatic compound because they have the alternate double and single bond. And finally, it is what? Non-benzoate compound. It does not show the benzene property, but it shows the aromatic compound. It does not resemble like the benzene. 5 number. Oh, that we have seen again. Ozosine. Okay, it is closed chain compound. Then heteroaromatic compound. Then non-benzoate compound. Because the structure does not resembles like a benzene. Hence it is non-benzoate compound. Next, 6 number. Oh, this structure does not have the alternate double single bond. The name of the structure is piperidine. Okay, it is cyclic compound, means closed chain compound. Heteroalicyclic. Why alicyclic? Because the structure does not have the alternate double single bond. Why hetero? Because there are heteroatom. 7 number. Oh, this is toluene, means benzene having the methyl group. Hence it is toluene. It is closed chain compound. Then homocyclic compound. And then aromatic compound. And last one is a benzoate. Okay. Number 8. That we have seen in the previous slide. Furan. Closed chain compound. Heteroaromatic compound. ओके, आई होप कि आज का ये जो सेशन है आपको समझ में आया। इधर हम लोग स्टॉप करते हैं स्लाइड को कि आप लोगों को समझ में आया है। अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो आप लोग मुझे रिपोर्ट करेंगे। ओके, सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय बाय।